Hi, this is a repeated video of afternoon which I said. I think morning itself I have said the same thing that I am going to show you in this as well. So here why I would like to make a second one is because of to make you comfort you guys and make you simple in trading, right? So here the point that I am going to say is what is this. As I told you the Titan, right? Regarding Titan we talked about, and in the Titan it's just within 5 minutes I will get finish this one. So here if I wanted to show you this something that, so here sorry, it's auto. See here, this is a 15-minute chart, right? So here what I said in the morning itself, I told you in that video that 60 EMA or 50 EMA that going to be touched, 50 EMA that going to be touched, right? So here the exact EMA got touched and then bounced back. Why does it happen? Why? The question comes here in why it's happening, why it is falling, why it's making a high, why it's again picking a momentum and it's reversing back to the point where it was earlier, right? So here this is what the experienced people observe, experienced people, pro people, their view is very pure. They do not see any other things. They see the trend, they see the momentum. Once the momentum is been over, that's it, they're gonna do their entry or exit, whatever, right? So here the exact that previous day you forget about it, right? But the current day, that which I showed you in the earlier video, that you can see, and in one day itself 2 video I have prepared. So the Titan especially, you just try to monitor. Why means I can't make every video in the same stock or some other stock, or actually I had tested on that to show you and to make you a comfort, to make you a better simple, right? So here if you see the current nifty exactly at around what time, it's 13:30, right? What was the lowest it made? 10749, right? At what time? It is at 2 o'clock, right? So, and what about the another candle? It was at 13:45, 14 and 13:30. From 13:30 the momentum has become overed, which the people they converted into a short side. Either in people they started hedging towards the call side, which converted into a bearish, right? So I know a lot of hedging, and why I'll day by day I'll make some other videos. So in that hedging purpose I will explain very well in very simple manner to make you understand in a proper. Guys, we have to work based on probabilities. Whatever you do in your physical life, that you are always expecting something, and you are looking for some probabilities. Like if you want to go for a petrol pump, then you will think, then first I'll go there, then I'll do that, I'll fill the petrol, and then again I'll go that way. It is a probability that you are thinking about exact and upcoming, expecting, you are expecting and you are doing as well, right? In the physical life the same thing market does. It's create a probabilities, right? So see, from here it moved up, right? The momentum has started. If you see in 3 minute 5 minute, the momentum was nice in 3 minute 5 minute time frame, right? But it is a noise which I hate a lot. That is why I always follow the 15-minute time frame. That's make me sense, that makes me comfort, that makes me simple, right? So here the main purpose I show you here is it 13:30 13:45 something 14, right? So here now if you go to the Titan, then what exact it's the point that here you can see guys here, see 13:30 right, 13:45 13:45 14, it is the last red candle which made a low is a 14, right? So see here the reaction between both, that is called a market sentiment, right? It is reacting based on index. Who is the king? Index is the king, right? Follow like that. See, stock is not the king, stock follows some other things, so it perform based on it, right? So also there is a lot of hedging and all in option analysis, option data. So people in derivative they used to hedge and all, it's, but they always try to, whenever it if they are hedging in one side more, then that it's, if it is falling also based on a market reaction, then it will fall based on their risk, that right? And then again buyers comes and pulled up sharply, which the same thing happened in this, right? So buyer came sudden, again buyer sought it, and again buyer came sudden, then started reversing back to the same point, and which it closed at the same at around a high level which it made, right? So these are the common things you have to understand. You have to, if you want to follow this method, if you want to follow my way, either you follow or not. If you are following, then I'll be happy to tell you that yes, this is the correct way. Yes, I'll be happy to explain you about more in this scenario. So based on it, I have done the whatever I did, but second entry that I have not done, to be frank, I have not done second entry. Why? Because it was I have not seen this particular things level, because I was busy on some other stock as well. So that is what I missed it, the second entry. But the things which I missed, I prepared for that. So these are the things, these are the learning things, these are the not disadvantage things, these are the not any kind of any things, right? So focus properly guys, and you will get success if you follow the one step, one proper way. No one does every day, every second, every minute trading, right? They do wait patiently, they enter patiently. So this is how the patience, you can see here after 13:45 1:45, you can see here the momentum got over, that's it. Then it started reversing, and same thing happened in index as well. So the reaction between this you have to understand deeply. I have talked about only one. Why? Because to explain purely in this, so see the previous video and this video, you will get more idea about it. How is my actually behind sentiment, how is my view behind, you will get the idea of it, right? So just enjoy guys, and have some patience to understand the things. If you are coming to earn, then you should do that way only, right? So that's the key of success, and key of success is the entry and exit also. That all, everything comes from patience only, right? Thank you.